ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the most interesting channel. Have you heard about the DART mission? DART is a joint project between NASA and the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory, APL. DART was the first-ever mission dedicated to investigating and demonstrating one method of asteroid deflection by changing an asteroid's motion in space through kinetic impact. DART targeted the asteroid Moonlet Dimorphos, a small body just 530 feet, 160 meters, in diameter. It orbits a larger, 2,560-foot, 780-meter, asteroid called Didymos. Neither asteroid poses a threat to Earth. The probe was launched from Earth in November 2021, and DART slammed into Dimorphos in a bid to change the Moonlet's orbital speed by a fraction of a percent. Though Dimorphos poses no threat to Earth, the ambitious mission mimics what NASA scientists would do if an asteroid were headed toward Earth. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, the world's first planetary defense technology demonstration, successfully impacted its asteroid target on September 26, 2022, 7:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. DART deliberately impacted the Moonlet Dimorphos at speeds of 4.1 miles per second, 6.6 kilometers per second. That's an eye-popping 14,760 miles per hour, 23,760 kilometers per hour. About 38 seconds later, the time it took for the light to arrive at Earth, people all over the world saw the abrupt end of the live stream from the spacecraft, signaling that the impact had happened successfully. DART was no more. In a collaborating project, the European Space Agency is developing Hera, a spacecraft that will be launched to Didymos in 2024 and arrive in 2027, 5 years after DART's impact, to do a detailed reconnaissance and assessment. Did you find this video interesting? Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay up to date with my latest videos. Do you have any other interesting information to offer? Any question? Or any suggestion? Share it with us in the comments below. I'm sure you'll find many more interesting videos to watch on this channel. Thank you. See you next time.